So, for the last month, I've been MIA. Been MIA because I've got a lot of stuff that I've got to do. It's PCS season, and I don't have too much time for videos. Almost caught up on the orders that I have. I'm using this long weekend to finish out some of those. I will be back. I will be back making videos. I really do enjoy it. But coming up with new things each week and actually doing those things each week, it just got a little bit too much. I've got a few large shadow boxes I've got to do. Once those are done, I think it'll be in a better place, that I'm not so overwhelmed. But I am doing something I do really, really enjoy: making ribbons. And then, of course, the last couple of weeks, I haven't even posted, photos of things I've been making because they were unique to a person or persons. So I really couldn't even post it until I've known that they've actually received it. And we made some great things. One of them that you saw a little bit of it was massive. It was like 33 inches across. It was like 14 inches deep and 16, 17 inches tall. It was 5 layers of a coin holder. And in front of that coin holder, the customer gave me a the Iwo Jima Monument statue that they had purchased separately and wanted to incorporate. And that came out amazing. I was super excited. Customer was excited to receive it. But it was, you'd be able to see exactly who it was for if I were to have posted all of it. But I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to try to put out an actual video this week. Get back on schedule-ish. I'm not sure what it's going to be. Today's, Monday, Memorial Day. So I don't know if Wood and Whiskey Wednesday is going to come back on Wednesday. We shall see. But I did want to give you all an update. Not gone, not forgotten. Just busy. Which is a great thing to great problem to have when you're a maker. But I will finish this up. Y'all have a great week, month, day, whenever I can come back. Hopefully I'll see y'all soon. Bye.